Yeah, very good morning to everyone. Basically, we are going to conduct student development program every 3 months once, majorly in Chennai, second in Coimbatore, third in Salem. Based on response, we will be conducting in other cities also. Tomorrow, that is Sunday, we are going to conduct student development program through WhatsApp audio session. What this program basically talks about. First of all, any human being, please try to understand this word, any human being, how they are functioning, whether they are a kid or they are a college student or they are a school student or they are doing in the education through correspondence, that is through distance education, or they are working in some private company or government company or working from home. How a human being is basically functioning. This is the first question. This is the topic of tomorrow's session also. This is the main topic. We'll be giving hints, there is no doubt about that, but we are going to discuss mainly how a human being is functioning. So when we ask how a human being is functioning basically using subconscious programming. Try to understand subconscious programming. So this subconscious programming, what is the definition? That we will teach in the session tomorrow, and we'll be teaching you the practical aspects. How to program the subconscious. It is not like the training as on date you had attended through YouTube or any expertise or any hypnotist or whoever is very good in subconscious programming. Because even assume an LKG kid who is going for LKG class, their subconscious can be programmed by their parent using just by written instructions. Try to understand written instructions. So what is meant by the written instructions, that we are going to discuss in tomorrow program. So the tomorrow program is through WhatsApp audio session. Based on what I can say, the response, we will be going for Zoom also in future, not now. Because some people has demanded we'll keep the session in Zoom, but right now we are not interested in Zoom as the network problem is there everywhere. So tomorrow the session will talk about subconscious programming for your education expert especially. And not only the education, once you know the subconscious programming, you can program everything also. So thanks for watching this video. So whoever wants to join the subconscious programming, they have to pay the fees through the account. Once the fees is paid, we'll be sending the audio session to your WhatsApp number. Whoever has attended already, they can pay the fees after attending the class also. There is no condition like that they have to pay prior. Whoever is unknown, they have to pay the fees before. So this program will highlight especially the students in developing their knowledge as well as the career, whichever they are feeling obstacles, whichever they are feeling very difficult, they can make it very easier. So thanks for watching this video. We'll join for that tomorrow session. Thank you.